He's joining us this morning from Little Rock, Arkansas. Nice to see you this morning, Governor.
Good morning.
So one of the questions right now is as international aid starts to pour in, the question for the United States is how much can we afford? How much does the Japanese government need, and how much from the international community will come? Should the United States stand up and say, we got your back?
One of the things you can always count on is the United States and its magnificently generous people always are there when there's some kind of disaster like this. I remember going into Pakistan not very long after the earthquakes and going up into northern Pakistan that had been just riveted by those earthquakes. Tens of thousands of people camping out, and you know who was there taking care of them, building tents, giving them food, giving them water, taking care of their medical needs. There was a sprinkling of Europeans here and there, few people from other countries. It was almost 90% Americans, American troops, American volunteers. You get the idea that Americans do what Americans do best, and that's rise to the aid of people, and I have no doubt that we'll do it in Japan as well.
But Governor, here is where fiscal reality meets generosity. There were many before this tragedy occurred that said we can't afford the kind of foreign aid we've been dishing out for the last several decades. There were many who said we can't afford to get it all involved in these uprisings in North Africa and the Middle East. Can we afford foreign aid at this point with the budgetary disaster that we are looking at in the future? Many in the GOP want to cut that drastically.
Well, a lot of the aid that we will give is not going to be necessarily government. Now, government can do certain things, particularly bring military assets, because there are certain things that only the military has the ability to do, particularly in logistics and organization and the delivery of rescue and recovery. But a lot of the assistance that we're going to give is going to be through the charitable organizations. There's not a group of people on earth who are more generous and more charitable, and even in our times of greatest need, Americans have a long history of giving out of our own need in order to meet the needs of other people. It's one of the reasons I get so frustrated when I hear people in other parts of the world bring such horrible anger and maybe contempt toward the United States, because when a country gets in trouble, they all turn to us. And whether it's Haiti, whether it's Pakistan, or in this case Japan, I have no doubt that Americans will open up their hearts and their pockets and do what they can to be of assistance through the Red Cross and other organizations like that.
Absolutely. That will be starting, I'm sure, this morning. Governor Mike Huckabee.